In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove background on Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to quickly isolate a subject so you can place it on a transparent background for thumbnails, mockups, or composites. First, launch Affinity Photo. Give the app a moment to load so all tools are available. It helps to start with a reasonably high-resolution image. Crisp edges and good contrast between subject and background will make your selection cleaner. Next, open your image. You can use File, then Open, or simply drag and drop the file into the workspace. Once it's on the canvas, fit it to screen so you can see the entire subject, and keep the Layers panel visible so you always know which layer you're editing. Now, click Pixel View at the top. This switches your preview to a true pixel-accurate render, which is especially helpful for judging edge quality. Zoom in a little and pan around your subject. You want to spot fine details like hair, fur, or semi-transparent edges that might need a lighter touch during selection. Choose the Selection Brush tool. Set it to Add mode so each stroke expands your selection, and adjust brush size as needed for big areas versus tight corners. Paint over the background, letting the brush snap to edges. If it grabs part of your subject by mistake, switch to Subtract and brush it back. Take your time around intricate edges. Smaller brushes give more control. When the entire background is highlighted with the marching ants, press Delete. You should see the checkerboard pattern, which indicates transparency. If Delete doesn't seem to work, check that your image layer isn't locked in the Layers panel. After the delete, stay in Pixel View and zoom in to inspect the perimeter. If you notice leftover halos or missed patches, continue using the selection brush to add or subtract from the selection and press delete again until the edge looks clean. That's it. You've removed the background and revealed transparency, ready for your design, composite, or layout.